Hey guys, in this video I am going to share the importance of email list building. Email marketing is a very powerful way to grab high quality audience and promote any kind of online stuff. It may be a blog, affiliate product, service or any other product. Basically, email marketing is you collect emails of niche targeted customers. You can collect those customers' email by providing lead magnet. Lead magnet can be a free ebook, mini course, webinar, useful tool or free trial of a product. You have to build a landing page and create a funnel to give that free item. Basically, your customers have to provide their email address to download your free item. In that way, you can collect emails of your targeted audience. For example, if you want to build an email list related to weight loss, you can give products like diet plans, workout schedules, diet recipes or something related to weight loss. So people who are interested about weight loss will come to your landing page and provide their email addresses to download that free item. So you will be able to grab emails of those people and you can promote any product related to weight loss via their email address. You can do it anytime because you already have an email list of targeted audience. So if you are able to collect 200 emails, you can create an email template and send that email to that 200 emails at once. Then if those people are interested in your email, they will reply to you back. So you will be able to start a conversation and close the deal. Emails are the number one professional communication channel because most professional level people check their emails each and every day. So if you create a converting email and send it to them, most of the time they will interact with that email. Most importantly, you are the owner of your email. As example, if you have a blog, you have to follow the guidelines of search engines like Google or Bing. Also, they can backlist your blog or your domain at any time. So if your blog articles are not ranked on search engines, you will never get traffic to your blog. Here is some of other examples. If you have a YouTube channel, YouTube can disable or block your account. If you have a Facebook group, Facebook can limit or block your Facebook group. Because you are only a person who uses third-party applications to build your brand. So you have to agree to their terms and conditions. If those social media platforms block your accounts, you have to start from zero all over again. But if you have an email list, you are the owner of that email list. You don't work on third-party application. You can do anything with your email list. As example, if you build an email list of your YouTube fans, even YouTube block you, you can start a new channel and send emails to your email list about your new channel. This is the most important thing of build an email list. Also, you can promote any product or service again and again to the audience of your email list. You can do it weekly or monthly in different ways. As examples, you can give coupons and different offers. They have high chance to convert sales by those offers. In my case, I try to promote affiliate product without collect emails of people who visit my landing page. That was a huge mistake I made because I didn't have any way to send that offer to those people again and again. But if I collect their emails, I can send emails to those people and promote affiliate products again and again. Because lot of people are not going to buy product, especially high ticket products, at the first time they see the offer. So we have to send emails to those customers at least 4 to 6 times to change their mindset. If we have an email list, we can send that offers without struggling. So those are the importance of email list building. I plan to create videos related to email marketing and help you to build high quality niche targeted email list. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get those videos when I upload them. I will see you in next video.